Last week I went to my uncle's daughter wedding in the morning with my family. There I had a very good breakfast with my relatives. There they served breakfast on banana leaf, which made me more satisfactory, because eating food on banana leaf is really good for health. I request you people to eat food on banana leaf every day, because eating food on banana leaf is more hygienic than on ceramic plates. They served carrot halwa, sweet paniyaaram, Kaara chutney, coconut chutney, vadacurry, methu, vadai, heartin, idly, masal, dosa, Poori, chenna, masala, idly, podi, etc. All the items served on banana leaf has its own unique taste. The carrot halwa which they served was excellent with medium sugar. The quality of the food was amazing. Poori and chenna masala plays a vital role. This breakfast was more appetizing. They filled the banana leaf with foods. This wedding was organized by S2 Catering and Events. They did very good job in this function. They organized food, beta stall, ice cream stall in this function. They also organized DJ music. This video is especially dedicated to non-residential Indians because these people will taste all these type of food only when they come to India, and also to the people who does not know about the Indian traditional food also will come to know about it. Overall rating for this breakfast is 4 out of 5. If you had any good breakfast in any of your family function, please share your experience with me. Now enjoy by watching this video. Subscribe for more videos.